Hi everyone, my name is Bilal Khan and you are watching Simplified Coding. Do you want to learn making backend APIs with Kotlin? With Kotlin Ktor, we can quickly write RESTful APIs, and I have already published a detailed step-by-step video tutorial about using Ktor for building RESTful APIs. In that video, I covered the basics of Ktor and written a basic authentication API. But that is not enough to build a complete project, right? And that is why I have added more API calls in the same project so that you will understand complete CRUD and join operations in Ktor. You can see the functions here. We have a lot of new things now. And you can also extend this project and add more features. If you clone the repository, you will understand performing complete CRUD operations that are create, read, update, and delete. And you will also learn writing get, post, put, and delete endpoints. And these are required whenever we build a complete project, right? You can also get the Postman collection of the APIs in the description. Apart from CRUD, you will also see performing SQL joins in the project. So if you want to know how you can perform SQL joins in your Ktor project to fetch data from multiple tables, this sample you will also get in the same project. So I hope you will like the project, and now I think we can use this project to build a complete Android application from scratch. So for this application, I am going to use Jetpack Compose for the UI. So that is all for this video, friends. I just wanted to update you about the Ktor project. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.